Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 36, lesson 4. Follow along as I read aloud. Orbis incendium et domus aurea Neronis. Nerone imperante terribile incendium a circo maxima ortum magnam urbis partem absumpsit. Nero, cum urbem ardentem prospiceret, pulchritudine flammarum delectatus dicitur in isse domesticam scaenam et cecinisse Troiae incendium, sed incertum est num tyrannus ille insanus, qui vetera aedificia vicosque angustos contemnebat, urbem ipse incenderet, cum sexto demum die ignis extinctus esset, et ex regionibus quattuor decim, in quas Augustus Romam diviserat, quattuor tantum integrae manebant, tres funditus flammis deletae erant, et in septem reliquis pauca tectorum vestigia supererant. So read through all of section 4, which ends at line 370 in Latin, and then go back, translate word for word with me. We have Orbis Incendium, the city's fire, and Nero's golden house, Domus Aurea. Nerone imperante, that is an ablative absolute, present active because of the present active imperative here, participle here. Nerone imperante, with Nero ruling, or while Nero was ruling, a terrible fire having arisen from the Circus Maximus, Circo Maximo, destroyed a large part of the city. Nero, when he was looking out on the burning city, notice here our imperfect subjunctive with a cum clause, cum prospiceret, while he was looking out. Remember the imperfect subjunctives, how they're formed on the infinitive with the ending. So prospicera, to look out, prospiceret, he was looking out. While he was looking out, delectatus, pleased by the beauty of the flames. Delectatus, from delectare, this is the perfect passive participle. It acts like an adjective modifying Nero. Nero pleased by the beauty of the flames. And notice how it's passive. It's having been pleased by this thing, not that he is pleasing anything. Okay, so pleased by the beauty of the flames is said to have gone into his scene, his stage in his house. He has a personal theater. He was a megalomaniac and viewed himself as a great performer. He is said to have gone in, and it is said that he went in and he sang about the fire of Troy, the burning of Troy, but it is uncertain whether that insane tyrant who despised or was condemning the ancient buildings and the narrow neighborhoods around the Circus Maximus, where he wanted to build his house, he hated those narrow streets and old houses that were falling apart. So it's uncertain whether that guy himself set fire to the city. And here we have the perfect subjunctive because of deliberative question. It's an indirect question. Did he set fire to the city? It's uncertain whether he set fire to the city. Cum sexto demum die. When at last on the sixth day the fire had been put out. Again, another cum clause. Now we have the pluperfect subjunctive passive had been put out. From the 14 regions into which Augustus had divided Rome, only 4 remained untouched, integrae. 3 entirely had been destroyed by the flames. In the 7 remaining, a few remnants of the houses survived. Okay, so now you know the drill. Go back through, read through the entire section word for word, ask questions if you have questions, make some notes in the margins if you need to, and then go back through and read it all aloud in Latin again.